Another part of the menu system in Excel is the shortcut menus. And these vary depending on what you click on. But I've got a couple of graphics here, and then I'm going to demonstrate this. So a shortcut menu just appears usually when you right-click on something, and it can offer you one or more shortcut menus that might bring the commands you're looking for very close to you. And when this is true, it's a very convenient technique to practice right-clicking on various regions of the Excel screen. I'm going to demonstrate this by moving to another worksheet and showing you the right-click on some data. So I'm going to go over to this tab called Data, and maybe I want to do something with this particular cell. I'm going to click on it. Now if I right-click on that cell, instead of the left click of the mouse button, or sometimes you want to call this the primary button and the secondary button, because it's actually possible for you to switch these buttons around. When I click on the mouse secondary button, for me it's the right button, and I might use these interchangeably. Nonetheless, I get two shortcut menus, one that lets me format with this particular shortcut menu, and one that lets me do various other editing operations, cutting, copying, pasting, inserting, etc. Okay, so let me demonstrate that again. I'm going to just do a regular click on a cell. I might want to format these cells here, for example. Again, I'm going to be talking about formatting in another recording, but if I select them, I can right-click in those cells, and then I can do various things like turn them into bold. Let's do that just for fun. Okay, so now I have performed an operation through the shortcut menus. Let me show you another shortcut menu just so you can see the variety. If I go up to what's called the column heading, the letter up above the column, I'm going to right-click on the F of column F. And here I get a different shortcut menu in this particular portion. This is different than when I right-clicked on the cells. It's similar, but not exactly the same. Again, if I click on the cells, I get a slightly different submenu. So depending on what you right-click on, you will get different shortcut menus displayed. Okay, so please, and I'm going to emphasize in a lot of my recordings using the right-click button. It's very convenient once you train yourself to press that secondary button on the mouse. So that rounds out our conversation on shortcut menus. You right-click and proceed from there.